Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure to be the opener of the pitch again. I am Julia, and I am representing Adia Nanotech. We provide disruptive nanomaterials to automotive industry. The global market of nanomaterials are growing, and it should reach 42 billion by 2026. Automotive companies are constantly looking for the innovations because they need to meet governmental regulations and consumer needs faster. That is why they're investing hundreds of millions of dollars in startups. We have a team of 2 entrepreneurs with more than 10-year experience each in business development and sales. And we have a terrific scientific team who has more than 100 cumulative years in chemical science, nanomaterial development, and production. Our scientific team came up with unique technology for nanomaterial production. And with this technology, we can produce a wide range of nanomaterials with controlled properties, high industry standards, and high performance parameters. The beauty of this technology is that it is simple, cost-efficient, and scalable. We have outreached automotive industry to gather the feedback and see the potential of our technology and nanomaterials. In the result, we have received 2 leading partners, 2 leading companies in this industry who showed their interest in 2 materials. One material is additive nano compound, which is mixed with the polymers and in a result increase breaking strength and decrease weight in the plastic details. The second one is also additive material, which is mixed with lubricant oils and in a result improves tribological properties. Also, we have partnered with Manchester Metropolitan University to test our nanomaterials for energy storage. Where we are now? Currently, we have received 2 first positive test results, which have been approved by industrial partners. And now, our industrial partners will be testing these materials in their laboratories to see if these materials provide the same performance as our laboratory test on industrial scale. We are waiting for positive results. As soon as we receive positive results, our next step will be to sign contract. Our business model is nanomaterial manufacturing and production method licensing. We are looking for 250,000 euros to provide deliverables, which will lead us to the contract signed with the industrial partner. So what we need? We need to accomplish our tests with our industrial partners. We need to develop an industrial production prototype. Currently, we have the production prototype, which is used for laboratory scale. But this prototype is scalable. And also we need to finalize IP strategy transfer. And of course, we would like to sign the contract with industrial partner. Thank you for your attention. If you are interested in nanotechnologies and would like to know how we enhance the automotive industry more, welcome to come to me and talk with me.
Thank you very much, and I think that is a spectacular benchmark set for the finalists today. So we only have time for 1 question. Alexander, please.
Thank you very much. I think it was quite addressed to automotive market, so it's logical for Scheffler to ask. So how quickly you can produce the first ton of this material?
Oh, it's a good question. So. Of course, to answer this question more detailed, we would need to run our first tests with the scalable prototype which will be focused on the production, right? And how our equipment works. Now, it's a reactor which we use for the material production. We just add number of pipes for that. So. In time, I guess, for 1 ton, I don't know, I should calculate. I would not tell you right now. It depends from the test we're going to receive from our first prototype, which we will develop for the industrial scale.
If it's positive,
how quickly? I guess to develop the prototype, it will take us about 3-4 months, because we already have the sketches. So, and then we will calculate how much time we're going to need for 1 ton. But it's scalable, it's all achievable.
Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.